What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. You're probably thinking to yourself, what did I just set up? Well, a few months back I was watching a Edward Shin video. If you haven't seen his videos, make sure you check them out. I'll link them up in the video. But he was out camping in some snow with two of his other buddies, and one of them had, it looked like a tabletop, but it was made out of front runner boxes. I didn't really pay much attention at the time, kind of slipped my mind. And then a few days ago I came across Trail Newbie's YouTube. Again, I'll link his YouTube up in this video. And I saw that he had a video on what exactly was that front runner table that I saw. So I watched it, he gave me some inspiration, and I decided I was going to build one myself because it's made out of the wolf packs, which I own, and a handful of 1x3s. So I figured that's an easy enough project. Why don't I give it a shot? So let's rewind a little bit, show you how I built it. Make sure you check out Trail Newbie's video on his inspiration for it and how he made it. All the credit goes to him. But yeah, hopefully this gives you some inspiration on building something of your own. So as you can see, the construction of this front runner storage box tabletop, or whatever we want to call it, wasn't that hard. It took me probably an hour, maybe close to 2 hours with, you know, the paint drying and all that stuff, but it wasn't difficult at all. And now we just have a more convenient way to access our kitchen gear and our camp gear, and then also have an additional tabletop space to work with in our kitchen area. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for new adventures coming soon. Later, everyone.